Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp kabobs in the oven. First, gather your fresh shrimp, colorful vegetables like bell peppers and zucchini, and your favorite marinade. Remember to peel and deveined the shrimp, leaving the tails on for a nice presentation. Cut your vegetables into 1-inch pieces for even cooking, and don't forget to soak your wooden skewers in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent them from burning in the oven. Now it's time to assemble your kabobs. Carefully alternate shrimp and your prepared vegetables onto the soaked skewers. Make sure the ingredients are snug but not overly crowded, allowing for even cooking. Aim for about 4 to 5 shrimp per skewer to create a satisfying portion. Once assembled, generously brush or toss all the kabobs with your chosen marinade, ensuring every piece is coated for maximum flavor. Next, let's get these kabobs baking to perfection. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange your marinated kabobs on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake them for 10 to 12 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through the cooking time. You'll know the shrimp are perfectly cooked when they turn pink and opaque. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious, perfectly cooked shrimp kabobs. Serve them immediately with a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice to enhance the flavors. A sprinkle of chopped fresh herbs, like parsley or cilantro, adds a lovely touch. These kabobs pair wonderfully with a side of fluffy rice, healthy quinoa, or a crisp green salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy every flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.